teman-teman semuanya, selamat datang di Surya 84 Gaming Channel. Di video kali ini kita akan memainkan game yang sangat seru yang bertema kerajaan, dimana kita akan mengawali perjalanan kita sebagai seorang prajurit biasa hingga menjadi seorang pemimpin perang untuk kerajaan. Judul gamenya adalah Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Semoga ini akan menjadi serial yang seru dan semoga bisa menghibur teman-teman semuanya. Sebelum mulai, Bang Surya mau berterima kasih buat teman yang sudah mampir dan sudah mensupport channel ini. Terima kasih juga buat MJ Khalifah yang sudah merequest game ini. Bang Surya doakan teman semuanya selalu diberikan kesehatan dan dilimpahkan rezekinya. Amin. Game ini mungkin banyak cutscene-nya guys. Jadi Bang Surya sudah menambahkan mod subtitle Indonesia sehingga kita bisa menikmati alur ceritanya juga. Yuk kita mulai bareng-bareng keseruan dari Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Let's go. Pada awal abad ke-15 kerajaan Bohemia dilanda perang. Raja Wenceslas IV ditangkap oleh para bangsawan pemberontak dan saudaranya. Raja Sigismund dari Hongaria tanpa pemimpin, negeri itu jatuh ke dalam kekacauan. Hanya segelintir loyalis yang tepat setia pada raja yang sah. Oh guys, Sakdol 1403. Oke, ada terjadi peperangan di sini, guys. Oke. Wow.
What are you doing here? Go and take cover in the keep.
Can't hold out against this onslaught much longer. Go and take cover with the others.
Look out!
Hampir saja kena. Wih, siapa tuh?
Godwin!
Oh, Godwin, guys.
Where's your weapon? To the battlements! Move!
Father! Will you come to anoint us before we die?
We'll get anointed after the battles are hands. With booze. Get ready!
Prepare to shoot! Position!
Wow. Kena, guys.
Take cover!
Wow. Hancur, guys, bangunannya, guys. Oke, gerbangnya langsung terbuka. Pasukan merah mulai masuk ke dalam bentengnya, guys. Sepertinya kita yang berada di dalam benteng ya, guys ya.
Make it count.
Oke guys, kita bakal berperan sebagai Godwin. Oke. Nah, kita sudah masuk ke dalam gamenya, guys. Naik tangga ke benteng depan.
Over here! Get up there quick! We have to repel them!
Oke, kamu bisa berjalan menggunakan WASD, loncat tekan spasi. Nah, kita diminta untuk naik ke atas untuk mempertahankan benteng ini, guys. Wih, seru. Anda memuat dan mengarahkan busur panah dengan menahan tombol. Oke, ini lagi tutorial ya guys ya, cara kita untuk mana. Yuk kita tembak guys. Ini kah? Nah. Wih, seru. Kita tembak lagi guys. 2. Kita tembak pemanahnya dulu guys. Mantap. Ini juga. Kita arahkan di mana lagi? Ini guys, di sini guys. Ada di sini satu nih. Kita tembak guys. Nah, mati loh. Mati dia guys. Wih. Oke. Mereka malah masuk guys. Oke, kita disuruh turun ke bawah. Bantu pertahankan gerbang di sini guys. Ambil busur padamu, tembak katanya. Mari kita tembak guys. Udah kena sih ini guys. Mereka terjebak di dalam guys dan terbakar. Yes. Oke. Ikuti komandan Dry Devil. Oke. Kita akan menggunakan pedang sekarang guys. Wow, keren. Gimana guys? Naik ke atas, kita ikutin dia. Tekan klik untuk menyerang ya. Oh, let's go. Di mana? Oke, kita akan menjatuhkan tangga guys. Tekan E. Keren. Musnahkan semua pasukan musuh di benteng. Cutscene ya guys. Ih, seru banget guys. Banyak korban, kita lihat. Banyak yang terluka, kena panah. Oh, ini baru perang sesungguhnya guys. Oh, kena deh guys.
I've been hit. Don't poke at it. Just calm down.
Oh, Dentes Fortuna, fucking you, Vat. Jesus. You're only supposed to deliver a message to Trotsky. The most adventure I was expecting was a fuck or two.
Semuanya ke menara. Wih, keren. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Wih, seru nih guys. Oke. Beberapa minggu sebelumnya, oh, ada anjing dan kuda lewat guys. Wow, keren. Grafiknya guys, mantap.
Audentes fortuna juvat!
What's that you keep yelling, Sir Hans?
Good gracious, Henry, you don't mean to tell me you don't know Latin?
My apologies, Your Grace. Unfortunately, I was too busy shoveling shit and picking turnips to find time for studying Latin.
We shall have to rectify that. I can't have an ignoramus for a personal bodyguard.
Anyway,
Wih,
this
keren.
Audens, whatever. What does that actually mean?
Audentes fortuna juvat. Fortune favors the brave.
I don't doubt it. All we have to do is deliver a letter to Lord Otto von Bergov and ride back again. Doesn't take much bravery.
Christ, Henry, don't be such a stick in the mud. Aren't you glad to be finally out of that hellhole where we can finally enjoy some adventure? See a bit of the world, meet new women, and simply have some fun.
Sure, but you promised Johannes that you'd be as good as gold, and I'm personally responsible for your safety. Besides, Trotsky's in the middle of nowhere, so I wouldn't expect much excitement there.
God help me, my bodyguard's a monk who can't speak Latin.
Sir. Trotsky.
Oke guys. Jadi karakter kita itu bernama Henry. Dan tadi itu kayaknya kapten kita ya bernama Hans guys. Oh, ini tempat tujuannya guys. Trotsky. Wow, grafiknya keren ya.
That is fucking impressive. It makes Perkstein look like an outhouse. Bergov must be made of money.
Wih, kita bakal menuju ke situ guys. Keren, keren.
Well, Henry,
Oke,
looking forward to new
kita akan
adventures,
ikuti rombongan
adventures that will become
Mr.
the
Han ya.
stuff of legends.
Of course I am. We'll show them what fine fellas have turned up on their doorstep.
You bet we will. We'll hand over our important message and then hop, skip to the nearest tavern. We'll drink to our success and chase some local wenches, eh? But why didn't Uncle Hanush take care of it himself? Unless, maybe he's just testing me.
Aye, it does look like that. He'll hand over all the Ratai estates to you one day. So I expect he wants to be sure you won't botch it.
Of course. How could I possibly botch it up? There are foreign armies rampaging through Bohemia. The king is in captivity, God knows where, and here we are in the middle of it all, carrying an important document. No, I intend to make the most of this trip, one way or another.
So do I. How is that? Fortuna...
Audentes fortuna juvat.
Audentes fortuna juvat guys.
Well, enough of the chat. Trotsky's almost within reach.
Sir Hans, how's it looking there in the back?
All good, Oaks. Just keep your eyes on the road ahead.
Exactly. If anything in front of us even looks like it's moving, we want to know.
Keep your hair on, Nick. Old Oak's got eyes like a hawk. I don't miss nothing.
Keren grafiknya guys. Oh, dentist apa tuh? Fortuna. Keberuntungan berpihak kepada sang pemberani. Artinya guys. Oke. Sepertinya kita sudah sampai. Oh enggak guys. Kita bakal bertemu musuh.
Should we get ready for a fight?
Take it easy, Henry. They're wearing von Bergov's colors. They're from Trotsky.
Oh, mereka dari Trotsky guys.
Don't let them get away!
Besides, stand a chance against them.
Iya, pasukan mereka juga lebih ramai ya.
Don't do anything foolish, fellas. Just follow my orders.
Keren.
Halt! What are you after here?
Is this usually how you greet visitors, my good man?
This is how we greet armed strangers when bandits are pillaging everywhere.
Can you not distinguish between a noble and a bandit, sir?
It's not always that straightforward these days. Who are you people?
Sir Hans Capon of Perkstein. I bear a letter for Sir Otto von Berghoff from my master, Sir Hanush of Leipa.
This is indeed the seal of the Lords of Leipa. And unless I am mistaken, Lord Hanush of Leipa is on the side of King Wenceslas. While my master is a member of the League of Lords, who side with King Sigismund. So it would appear we are enemies.
Oh my god guys, kita ini musuh nih guys. Dia itu berasal dari kerajaan Sigismund.
We're not enemies. We're carrying a message with the aim of putting a stop to the hostilities.
And who are you?
Henry, from Skalitz.
Iya. Di sini kita harus membuat pilihan guys. Apa gaya bermain Anda? Sordier, Advisor, Scott? Kalau kita pilih Sordier, kita menyukai senjata di tangannya dan menggunakan baju jirah yang kuat. Ia juga terkenal karena temperamennya yang mudah marah. Kalau kita pilih Advisor, lebih suka menyelesaikan masalah dengan pengetahuan, lidah tajam, dan kata-kata yang lembut. Kalau kita pilih Scott, suka bersembunyi di bayang-bayang dan menyelesaikan tugas secara diam-diam, tanpa terdeteksi dan dengan ketenangan. Kayaknya Bang Suar lebih cocok barbar ya guys ya. Kita akan pilih Sordier. Aku seorang prajurit dari pengawal Lord Capon.
I'm a soldier and Lord Capon's bodyguard. My job is to defend him with my life.
From Skalitz, you say? The one that King Sigismund's Cuman forces plundered?
And slaughtered everyone. Even so, I'm not going to Trotsky as an enemy, but as a peace envoy.
Even so, you're still strangers here, and armed strangers to boot. And as it happens, we're on the trail of just such a band, so why should I trust you?
Oke guys, sekarang kita akan melakukan persuasi di sini. Kita harus membuat dia percaya dengan kita nih guys. Ada beberapa pilihan di sini kan. Anda dapat menyelesaikan banyak situasi dengan meyakinkan pihak lain. Dan percakapan, Anda akan memiliki beberapa pilihan opsi ya. Pembicaraan, Anda mencoba menengahi situasi dengan damai dan tanpa konflik. Karisma, Anda memanfaatkan penampilan mulia dan reputasi baik Anda. Kekuatan, Anda berusaha tampil sebagai pahlawan dan pelindung bagi yang lemah. Paksaan, Anda memaksa mengatakan apa saja untuk mengatakan apa yang Anda inginkan. Bahkan menggunakan kebohongan dan manipulasi. Dominasi, kamu membuat orang lain sadar bahwa kamu lebih unggul dari mereka. Ketakutan, ketika alasan tidak berhasil, ancaman mungkin efektif. Wow, ini harus kita pahami sih. Karena kita bakal banyak kasin yang membuat pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang harus kita jawab ya. Oke, coba kita next di sini. Oh, banyak situasi dapat diselesaikan dengan bernegosiasi dengan pihak lain. Dalam percakapan, Anda akan memiliki beberapa opsi cara bereaksi. Tetapi ingat, pihak lain tidak selalu percaya pada Anda. Oke, statisnya ada ini guys ya. Persuasi bukan tentang memilih angka tertinggi ya, melainkan tentang siapa yang Anda ajak bicara, penampilan Anda, dan reputasi Anda. Misalnya, mengancam sekelompok preman dengan kekerasan saja biasanya sia-sia. Sama seperti mengklaim diri sebagai bangsawan dengan jerami mencuat dari sepatu Anda. Iya betul guys. Jadi bukan angka tertinggi itu yang kemungkinan besar itu adalah jawabannya ya. Bukan ya. Nah sekarang kita akan coba deh. Kita akan bilang sebagai utusan, kita menawarkan aliansi, atau apakah kita benar-benar terlihat seperti perampok bagimu, atau kita akan bilang sebagai prajurit kita bisa membantu kalian melawan perampok. Mungkin ini lebih cocok ya guys ya, karena dia lagi berburu bandit guys.
We want to negotiate an alliance, and we can help you with those bandits. Together, we'll put them in their place, as a sign of goodwill. And then you'll escort us to Trotsky, and everything will be explained. You'll see.
Judging by the
Reputasi
looks of
kita
you,
dapat,
your
guys.
help might well come in handy. All right.
Iya, kita memilih jawaban yang tepat ya.
Sorry about the cold reception. You must be cautious. These bandits create mayhem then vanish like ghosts. We'll be on our way.
Oh, so you won't accompany us to the castle to see your lord?
Sorry, sir, we can't. Listen, you won't make it to the castle before nightfall, and Sir Otto's orders are to not admit anyone after dark, especially while we're away. You'd best camp until daybreak.
I'll take your point. I mean, back home, the last time someone let a nobleman in trouble into their castle, we had to bombard it to get him out. Is there an inn in these parts, at least?
There is one, but it's a bit of a way out, and I'm not sure your lordship would like it very much.
God! What kind of a backwater have they sent us to? I just suppose we'll just have to manage somehow. Good luck in hunting down those bandits.
Thomas, captain at Trotsky.
Thomas guys,
Thank you.
kapten dari Trotsky.
And sorry again. Farewell.
Farewell.
Oke, mereka menggunakan bendera Garuda ya guys ya. Warna merah lagi. Wah, mirip-mirip dengan Indonesia nih guys.
Well, this is a bit of a hold up. What now?
Since there's no tavern within reach, we'll just bed down here for the night. The pond looks inviting, and we've got wine enough.
And what about those bandits?
Well, they're probably keeping their heads down, what with that big patrol combing the woods for them.
Kita bakal menginap di sini berarti guys. Si Han ini tidak takut ya kalau kondisi sekarang di sini nih, mungkin kita terancam di sini guys. Ada bandit di mana-mana.
Camp here on the bank.
Ya, kita bakal berkemah di sini guys.
I stink almost as bad as the rest of you, and you lot are rank.
Semuanya pada bau ya. Oke. Oke guys, sekarang kita sudah masuk ke dalam gameplaynya di sini guys. Oke, seru. Wow, grafiknya sih oke banget guys. Wah, kudanya juga keren ya. Wih, mantap. Ini kudanya keren-keren guys. Anjingnya menggonggong terus. Oke, kita akan coba lihat di kompas. Berarti kita akan mengarah ke sini ya. Kita akan berbicara sama Hans dulu.
I assume you can hear that damn dog of yours barking. Can you sort him out?
Oke, kita akan panggil Mut untuk tiarap. Tekan X untuk memanggil. Coba guys.
Come here. What's all the fuss about, Mutt? Are you that hungry? All right. I'll see what I can get for you.
Oke, jadi anjingnya sudah tidak menggonggong lagi guys. Nah, Anda dapat menemukan deskripsi ya.
Well then, Henry.
Kita coba tekan J di sini. Oke guys, jadi jurnal di sini guys. Ini adalah penunggang muda. Mungkin ini misi utama kita. Nah, ini opsional guys. Cari sesuatu untuk dimakan Mut dan beri dia makan. Jadi anjing kita ini bernama Mut ya guys ya. Apa yang harus dilakukan selanjutnya? Bicara dengan Rod Kepon. Anda dapat menemukannya dengan mengikuti petunjuk kompas. Oke. Kayaknya kita akan ke sini kali ya. Berbicara ya. Enggak guys. Oh, di sini guys, sini guys. Kita bisa lihat ya, ini ada B, ada D. Kalau D berarti yang menuju ke lokasi yang opsional guys. Oke. Ots. Bicara sama Ots kah? Apa kamu punya makanan untuk anjingku?
Listen, would you have some scraps for Mutt?
That's a good one. He already gobbled up a piece of venison while I was having a piss.
Anjing itu
I've
sudah
got one
memakan
last
satu
sausage and
daging
I'll be
rusa
saving
guys,
that for the
sepotong
way
rusa.
back. Look, Henry, I'm fond of that beast, but you ought to keep him under control.
Oke. Di sini kita akan membuat pilihan jawaban lagi guys. Bukan 14, 11, 12 yang menentukan ya. Kita akan pilih ini guys. Apa yang akan kamu tukar dengan sosis itu ya?
Wouldn't you swap it for something?
I might. Tankard has my ring, I lost it to him at dice, and if I go home without it, my old woman will send me right back. If you can get it back, I'll be glad to give you that sausage.
Well, I'll see what I can do.
Oke guys, jadi cincin os itu direbut sama si Tankard ya, karena dia kalah judi. Kita akan bertemu sama Tankard dulu guys. Oke, apakah kita akan berjudi di sini?
Come on, Conrad.
What?
Let's throw a few dice.
Mari kita berbicara sama Tankard. Bagaimana kalau bermain dadu untuk cincin? Bagaimana menurut besok akan berjalan? Apakah kamu tahu domain ini? Dari mana meja itu? Akhiri dialog. Oke guys, kita akan bermain dadu dengan si Tankard ini guys.
I see you've got dice set up. Want a game?
Sure. How's about spicing it up with a little wager?
I heard you won a ring off Oates. What about that?
Fortune favours the brave, lad. But if you lose, you'll pay for everything I order in the tavern in Trotsky. All right?
Alright. Kalau kita kalah, kita bakal traktir dia di Trotsky guys. Nah, ini ada aturan dasar untuk bermain dadu ya. Oke, dadu 1, 2, 3. Oke. Kita coba next. Nah, di sini ada poin yang bisa kita dapatkan ketika kita melempar dadu guys. Kalau keluar angka 1, kita dapat 100 poin. Kalau satunya ada 3 berarti 1000 poin. Oke. Bang sudah paham ini guys. Kita harus ingat ya, kalau ada yang 111, 222, 333, 44, 55, berarti ini kita bisa jadikan poin. Sisanya nggak akan ada poin guys. Misalnya kalau muncul 2-nya cuma 1 berarti itu nggak akan jadi poin ya. Oke, Bang Sir paham? Mari kita lempar guys. Oke. Nah, di sini ada 5, 2, 1 sama 6 guys. Yang bisa kita jadikan poin itu adalah ini ya, 1. Ini juga bisa jadikan poin 2 ini guys. Nah, yang 6, 2 ini guys nggak bisa jadi poin. Kita mau bermain atau kita mau stop? Kayaknya kita akan coba bermain lagi karena masih ada sisa 3 dadu yang bisa kita lempar guys. Oke, kita singkirkan dulu. Oke, 3, 4, 5. Berarti hanya 5 aja yang bisa kita ambil guys ya. Kita mau lanjut main atau lewatin? Lewatin ini guys, karena kita berpotensi untuk tidak dapat ya, karena tinggal 2 dadu guys. Oke, kita lewatin. Kita akan tekan ini dulu, baru scroll dan lewatin. Tekan Q. Iya. Berarti sementara kita sudah mendapatkan 250 poin guys. Sekarang gilirannya si Tankard. Dia mendapatkan 4000.
My lucky dice never fail. It's mine,
oh my God.
Friend. Tomorrow we'll drink on
Besok kita
Henry's
akan
coin.
traktir si Tankard guys.
You can never have too much ale. Want to try your luck again? Same wager.
Oke, kita akan taruhan yang sama guys. Kita bermain lagi.
Alright, let's carry on. Now I'll show you.
Dia beruntung guys, karena dia mendapatkan poin satunya 4 langsung ya.
Today's my lucky day. I can feel it in my bones.
Wah, seru. Oke, di sini kita bisa mengumpulkan hanya satu ini aja guys ya, 50. Kita lanjutkan lagi. Tidak beruntung kita guys. Kita dapat angka yang bagus guys. Ini 100 lumayan. Yang lain enggak.
If I was you, I'd take it.
Ayo. Oke, ada 5 aja yang bisa kita manfaatkan.
Well, you're not afraid of anything. Well,
Aduh guys.
You didn't have much anyway.
Padahal masih ada 3 angka dadu loh guys. Oke, nggak apa-apa, sekarang giliran dia. Wow, dia sudah mengumpulkan 700 guys.
I'm done.
Oke, sekarang giliran kita guys. Dia sudah mengumpulkan 700 poin nih. Ini bahaya nih guys. Wah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys. Nice. 750. Oke, kita akan lewatin dan karena tinggal 1 kan. Jadi kita lewatin aja. Kita ngumpulkan 750 guys. Sekarang giliran dia. 300. Oke, dia udah 1000 guys. Wah, bahaya nih. Nah, oh 100 sama 50 guys. 1150. Sekarang giliran kita. Dia sudah mengumpulkan 1150 angkanya guys. Satu. Wah, sayang banget ya. Sayang banget guys. Berarti kita sudah kumpulkan 1050. Kita kasih dia aja deh. Please. Kayak 100. Beruntung banget dia guys. Nah, mantap guys, giliran kita guys. Yes. Oke. 1, 2, 4, 5. Enggak, berarti kita ambil 5 aja guys. 50 lumayan lah ya. Lanjut. Wah, ini pertarungan yang sengit nih guys. Wah, kita juga dapat angka jelek guys. Gak ada poinnya. Oke, dia dapatkan poin ini. Wow, wow. Pas kah? Oh my god guys. Kalah lagi guys.
It's mine, friend.
2 kali kita traktir dia.
We'll drink on Henry's coin.
That's just great.
Okay.
You can never have too much ale. Want to try your luck again? Same way.
Sekali lagi kita taruhan ya.
All right, let's carry on. Now I'll show
Kita belum beruntung sebenarnya guys. Kita belum beruntung.
Come on then, show us what you can do. Unless you're
Kali ini kita harus beruntung guys. 150 kurang guys ya. Udah nggak usah, kita ambil 1 aja. Wah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kayaknya nggak ada masuk daftar deh guys. Coba ya. Nah, 750 guys. Kita sudah mengumpulkan 850 poin. 1, 2. Oke, diambil 1 aja. Oke. Sekarang kayaknya kita bakal menang guys. Oke. Mantap, mantap. Wah, 400 guys. Berarti dia sudah mengumpulkan 600 ya. 700. Wih, curang dia. Kok bisa ulang lagi dia? Oke, 850 sama angkanya. Oke, giliran kita guys. Ini 300. Ini 400. Oke. Kita giliran dia guys, nggak apa-apa. Jadi kita sudah mengumpulkan 1300. Kita nggak usah ambil resiko. Ya belum guys, dia belum menang guys. Dia belum menang. Oke, mantap, mantap, mantap. Oke guys, sekarang kita yang menang guys. Oke. Langsung menang kita. Nah, gini aja udah 1000 guys. Oke, 2300 kita menang. Yes, akhirnya.
You played well. What's to be done? A bet is a bet. Here's your ring.
Oke, kita akan kembalikan cincin itu kepada Odds.
Conrad.
What?
Let's throw a few dice.
For the love of God.
Wih,
How many times do I
ternyata
have to
seru
tell
banget
you?
ya guys.
I ain't playing with you.
Why not?
Aku akan mengembalikan cincin kamu sebagai tukar makanan untuk Mood. Cincin tukar sosis guys.
Can't tell a 5 from a 6. I won that ring off him.
You beat the bastard. Ha! You're a dab hand, Henry. Thanks. And here's the sausage in return, like we agreed.
All right. And enough games. You won't easily find another mug who'll exchange a ring for a sausage.
Yeah. True enough.
Oke, kita sudah mendapatkan sosisnya guys. Kita akan beri makan si anjingnya guys ya. Mana anjingnya guys? Oh nih. Alternatif. Satu berikan. Oke, di sini kita akan berikan guys. Nah ini guys sosisnya. Mana anjing kita nih? Oh ini guys, dimakannya guys. Oke. Gimana? Kenyang? Wih, kenyang deh guys. Oke. Berikutnya berarti kita akan cari tahu dari Sir Hans apa rencananya ya.
Henry, oh, that was a tight thing with the captain, eh?
Aku sudah mengurusnya, tenang aja.
I got the feeling you'd lost your tongue.
Just for a moment, but true enough. That bastard surprised me a bit.
Well, that's what I'm here for. To deal with that kind of stuff.
And I must say, that was pretty good for your first action as leader of my bodyguard. Let's see if you keep it up. But we managed the situation all right in the end. He even apologized to us. If Hanush had seen it, maybe he'd finally stop treating me like a child, eh?
Well, I don't know. When I look at you, well, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Kiss my arse. And by the way, since you're here, how about stretching our limbs a bit after that long journey? With a bit of swordplay.
You're in the mood for that after riding so long?
Certainly. So then, eh?
Baiklah.
All right then. Just a bit of swordplay for the hell of it? Or should we have a wager?
Let's save the wagers for later.
Oh, you afraid?
Keep the biting remarks to yourself. You've got armor on, so just grab your helmet. Here's a practice sword for you. Have that ready too.
Oke guys, kita bakal melakukan pertarungan pedang dengan Mr. Han ya. Oke, kita akan tekan I untuk membuka inventory. Oke guys, di sini ada tutorial menu pemain, ada tempat di mana Anda dapat menemukan berbagai informasi penting tentang Henry dan oke ini guys ya. Ini ada inventory, ada pemain, ada kerajinan. Wow, keren sekali guys. Oke. Nah, di sini adalah topi dan helm bisa di sini guys. Topi, helm, hook, cincin, belati di sini, sabuk ya. Nah, ini pelindung dada guys, ada jaket juga, ada baju, pelindung lengan. Wow, keren. Kita bisa pakai pakaian saat ini di sini ya, berarti ya ada tandanya. Oke, ini menu memakai armor. Ini juga pakaian. Oke. Berarti kita diminta untuk memakai helm ya guys ya ini. Sebelum menggunakan helm, Anda perlu menggunakan pelindung bantalan dulu. Oh, berarti ini ya. Baru ini. Jadi nggak bisa langsung kita pakai guys. Nanti rambut kita rusak gitu loh. Pedang kita pakai. Oke, kita sudah punya pedang. Dah, itu aja. Wih, saatnya kita akan melakukan pertarungan pedang bersama si Mr. Hans. Ayo kita mulai pertarungan pedang.
So, should we start?
Ready?
Ready. Berilah baju dan pedang dan bicara dengan Sir Han. Udah. Hunus pedangmu dan hunus pedangmu.
I just can't wait.
Let's get warmed up.
Oke.
I'll attack you a few times. You defend.
Go ahead.
Kita akan serang dia biar dia defend guys. 1, 2, 3. Mantap.
Is that the best you've got? I didn't even work up a sweat.
Oh, you will soon enough. A foe in plate armor has to be worn down.
Let's see it then. Attack properly now. A longer sequence.
Oke, serangan dengan serangan beruntun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oke. Mantap.
Enough.
Now you're warmed up, eh?
Yeah. But you're pretty winded yourself. While you're attacking,
Blok sekarang guys.
you still have to take care you have strength left to defend.
Save the advice and try it yourself.
Gladly.
Oke.
On guard. Good.
Oke, kita blok guys.
Nice.
Inilah serak, masih ada blok.
Good. That's the way.
Oke.
Oh, that's enough. No one's ever won a duel just by blocking. You've got to make an opening to strike back. And you do that by means of a perfect block.
Oke, kita akan melakukan perfect block guys.
You've become a real swordsman.
Start your attack then.
Nice.
Satu, oke.
You're doing great.
Oke.
Henry.
Oke.
Nice.
Mantap.
But what about a riposte? Reckon you can manage that?
Why wouldn't I? Nothing to it. I just follow up a perfect block immediately with a
Oke,
strike.
kita akan melakukan serangan
Get
terus
ready.
blok lalu serang guys.
You have to follow up with a strike. Strike back after the block.
Kena loh.
Nice.
Kena loh.
Good, Henry.
3 kali kena.
Well, you're not as good as Captain
Paham,
Bernard.
paham bang, Sir, paham.
That wasn't bad.
Be sure to remember, if someone gives you a riposte, you can still fend it off with a perfect block. And it's best to follow up right away with your own riposte.
Yeah, right. But what if I want to attack in such a way that you can't make a perfect block?
Then it's best to attack at a spot where your opponent isn't covered, where he's not holding his weapon. You defend, and I'll show you how.
All right. Come on then. Nice work, Henry. Nice, Henry. I was too slow.
Oke.
Nice.
Mantap.
All right. I get it. For Christ's sake. Enough demonstrations and explanations.
Let's have one
Oke guys,
training duel
untuk
to
pertarungan
finish
Bang Sir
up, eh?
juga mulai paham ya guys ya.
And let's have a wager to spice things up. How about 100 groschen?
Ya, kita akan bertaruh dengan Han. Aku akan bertaruh lebih banyak kalau kamu mau.
100? How about 200?
Oke,
Are
200.
you feeling confident or not?
Fine, 200. On guard.
Bentar guys. Mana guys? Kena loh. Tusuk aja guys. Kena loh. Oke. Stamina. Kena loh. Oke.
Don't you think you should yield?
Oke, kita tahan guys. Stamina. Kena kita. Wah, kena. Oh my god. Stamina. Capek juga guys.
That one hit the spot.
Stamina kita guys harus kita jaga ya. Karena kita pakai armor yang begitu berat ya.
That one hit the spot.
Kena ya. Serangan beruntung guys. Oke. Stamina. Wah, kena kita guys. Oke. Oke. Capek. Oke, saatnya kita serang guys. Oke. Kalau kita kena, stamina kita itu berkurang guys. Bukan darahnya berkurang ya. Tusuk. Nice. Ini pertarungan yang cukup lama. Kita darah nggak berkurang, tapi kalau kita kena, kita stamina-nya berkurang, guys. Naik level kita, guys.
I yield. Enough.
Dia menyerah juga, guys.
Sake, you're unstoppable. Oh, you won the bet, fair and square. I'll settle with you when we get to Trotsky. Now let's go and eat. That swordplay gave me quite an appetite.
Sama lah, aku juga lapar, Hans. Ayo, Hans. Ya, kita akan kemana nih? Ikutin dia ya.
So who won, gentlemen?
Oh, it seems this isn't my day. I knew I shouldn't have bet with you. You've improved since that last time in Rattay.
Oke, aku juga menang di Rattay. Bagaimana sebenarnya berakhirnya? Tadi Rattay itu di mana, guys? Aku kalah di Rattay kali ya.
Yeah, alright. But I lost in Rattay that time. That was nearly the first time in my life I even held a sword in my hand, though.
Well, forging a sword isn't the same as wielding one.
Oats? What's this food supposed to be?
What's left of our supplies. Tomorrow we'll be at the castle, and we'll get some decent grub.
If you told us earlier, I could have shot a hare. And you could have cooked it like they did in the tavern the day before yesterday.
That tavern where you drank away all your coin?
Ha! You've got to have some fun.
And then you tried it on with the innkeeper's daughter when you were shit-faced.
She was pretty. A real peach. Admit it.
Only a fella was there.
Memilih jawaban akan menambah poin ke statistik yang dipilih. Mereka sekarang lagi membahas tentang wanita, guys. Hanya suaminya yang ada di sana katanya ya. Dia menggoda seorang gadis yang di penginapan. Kita akan bilang, kamu bisa saja ikut bersama kita sampai pagi. Aku menyeretmu keluar kalau kita... Aku sudah menyelesaikan masalah dengan suaminya.
He was well pissed off. If I hadn't convinced him you were the village idiot and that we dragged you home right away...
And if I
Yes,
hadn't left him a
guys. Kita
fistful of coins to
mendapatkan
Throwing groschen
level
around
baru
like
untuk
that.
dalam ini ya,
Fellas, if
berpidato
a
ya.
rainy day comes, you'll be fucked.
Ha! I've got nothing to regret. The whole world turns around wenches. Ain't that right, Henry?
Hmm?
You never gave us the goods on that lass of yours. What was her name now?
Teresa. She lived with that crook Peshek at the mill.
And she saved my life.
A brave girl.
Aye. She's a fine lass. And? Is she any good? Like, is she any good? Get me?
Oke, guys, dia membahas Teresa yang menyelamatkan kita katanya. Kayaknya Teresa ini adalah pacar kita atau tidak terjadi apa-apa dengan Teresa. Berani dan itu harus cukup untukmu. Kita bilang tidak terjadi apa-apa dengan Teresa, guys ya.
I don't know. Nothing happened between us.
Nothing?
No.
I don't get it. A nice lass like that.
You know, this travelling isn't too bad.
Apart from the mosquitoes.
Aye. Apart from them.
Where were you yesterday evening, Henry? You were late for supper. That's not what I call watching over our Lord.
Hey, don't make trouble.
Dia membahas yang kita belum pernah ngalamin, guys. Kayak tadi dibilang kita itu katanya terlambat untuk makan malam. Apa yang kita sibukkan ya? Jangan bikin masalah. Aku butuh sedikit ketenangan. Aku mencari tempat berlindung. Aku selalu bersamamu. Mood mencium jejak.
Mutt caught a scent. Ran off into the woods and wouldn't come back.
And what was it?
There's a footpath there with some derelict house at the end. Mutt was standing outside, barking like crazy. But there was nothing inside but mouldy furniture and some burnt bones. So I calmed the poor pup down, and we came back to the camp.
He don't seem like no poor pup to me, especially after the way he came barking at me today.
Okay.
And what about, time, sir? I mean, will we be getting any time off, sir?
It depends. Once von Berghoff hears us out, we should set off back home immediately.
What? Straight back on the road?
Well, we could stay a day or two, perhaps.
Does anyone know anything more about von Berghoff?
Dia adalah bangsawan penting.
Only what Sir Hans told us, that von Berghoff is a big cheese in the royal court. That's why we're going to negotiate an alliance with him.
You summed that up nicely. But yes, that's how it is. He's the Royal Chamberlain. You fellas will never meet a more important noble than him.
I heard he insists on having the finest swords, and that he's got a big collection of all kinds of swords and daggers.
Collecting them ain't the same as knowing how to use them.
And is he any good at sword fighting? It ain't nothing easy to learn.
Oke, ada berapa pilihan lagi? Pedang adalah senjata yang luar biasa. Aku lebih suka ganda. Aku bisa bertahan tanpa senjata. Aku lebih suka menembak. Kita akan pilih pedang dong, guys.
The sword is the weapon of a master. Balanced, fast, and suitable for all situations. Of course, you have to train with it and try to improve your technique, but the result is worth it.
Aye, I get it. It was just a training fight. Pardon me.
Oh, swords, swords, swords. No doubt you're going to tell us again how the perfidious Istvan Toth stole your sword. And I thought you'd come round to thinking about other things.
That sword is the only reminder I had of Pa. We forged it together, just before he was slain. But that's another matter. I suppose you've heard enough of that, eh?
Well, you know.
It's all right.
Well, I wouldn't want to be in Istvan's shoes if you ever come face to face with him again.
What? So Radzig ain't dead, though?
Enough. Otherwise we'll be here for hours again hearing how Martin the Smith raised him even though Radzig is his real father. It's complicated, and let's leave it at that. No offense.
Who help me tomorrow with getting supplies for the journey back?
We rolled dice for it, and I won, so Conrad goes.
What are you on about?
Enough. Oath, you're no fun at all. There'll be a feast at the castle tomorrow, so forget about supplies.
Anyone for another helping? There's plenty left. Maybe even a bit for morning.
No thanks. I must wash myself down a bit.
My words exactly. We can't turn up at Trotsky tomorrow in this state.
Kita akan membersihkan diri kita ya guys. Kayaknya kita akan pergi mandi di sungai.
Let's go and strip, Henry. Fellas, come and help us get out of this armor.
Are you really going to bathe here, Sir Hans? It don't look none too safe a spot to me.
Oh, don't be such an old woman, Oates. Bring some wine to warm our blood.
You know, we're not on a trip to the baths here, Sir Hans.
Henry's right, sir. Duty first, fun later.
God's wounds. I haven't been away from Rattay in ages. So, here, I intend to live a little.
Berat guys.
Blasted iron shirt.
Baju besinya berat banget ya.
What a relief! I feel like I've just shed 40 pounds.
Minuman anggur guys, sedap.
Christ. Will I ever live to see his young lordship finally grow up? He's got a good heart, but he doesn't have the sense that he was born with.
Well, responsibility will catch up with him soon enough, though.
There's more chance of me becoming a monk.
Oh guys, maka kita akan mandi sungai di sungai.
Fit for a king.
Whew. You were right about our stench.
Let's hope this water isn't too cold. You wouldn't want your pride and joy shrinking.
I'm more worried about it being too deep.
Come on.
Ayo, kita mandi dulu. Wih, sedap.
Oh, that really shrivels the old ball sack.
Ada suara wanita, guys.
What's the matter?
Females! Let's go to them.
Sir Hans.
Oh, shut up and let's go. But quietly. We don't want them to spot us.
Hans.
Wah. Si Han di sini, guys. Dengan wanita langsung aja dia ya.
Head down, Henry.
Jongkok.
Got to sneak closer.
Berjongkoklah. Tekan C.
Follow me. Carefully. No sudden moves. Don't give us away.
Ya, kita akan ikutin si Hans, guys.
Hear that singing? They must be close. Hear that? You think they might be bathing? Come on, let's get closer.
Yuk, kita lebih dekat lagi katanya, guys. Ada orang, guys.
Shit! One of them's doing laundry. We have to get closer to the others. Only she's blocking our way, right in our path. Damn it! Throw a stone in the water near her.
Oke, kita akan lempar batu, guys.
We'll hurry along the other side.
Oke, cara lemparnya gimana? Tekan G untuk melempar batu kecil ya.
Hey, what was that?
It worked. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hati-hati, pelan-pelan, jangan sampai ketahuan. Mana Hans? Mana Hans? Kita sudah dekat, guys. Banyak wanita pasti, guys. Oh, di situ, guys, wanitanya ada 3 orang. Oh, ada cutscene, guys. Mengintip wanita mandi, guys. Oh my god, yang duduknya seksi banget, guys, yang duduk, guys. Ada suara kuda, guys.
Henry, I told you.
Oh my god, pasukan kita diserang, guys. Oke. Oh my god. Oh my god, tangkar mati, guys.
Do something. Stay down, for fuck's sake.
Tinggal si Ot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Otnya mati juga, guys. Gila, para bandit di sini ya. Ini nih si Han nih nggak mau dengar. Wow, suratnya mau kita antarkan ke Trotsky juga diambil dia, guys. Oh my god, si wanita itu kena tangkap sama bandit juga, guys.
We don't stand a chance. We'll wait till they're gone, and then head back to camp. Maybe some of our men got away.
Wow, wanita itu mau diperkosa, guys.
Hey!
Wah, si Henry berani banget.
What are you doing? Hey! Hands off her, you brute! What the hell's going on here? Let her go, you pig!
Ketahuan kita, guys.
Fucking hell!
Gara-gara si Henry.
Couldn't just leave it be, could you? Come on!
Pergi!
Catch them!
Aduh, kocak juga ya. So pahlawan si Henry, guys. Coba kita diam-diam.
Fuck, she's mine!
Cantik wanitanya, guys. Tuh. Wow. Rasain lo. Pergi katanya. Pergi dari sini. Wih, wanitanya dibiarin pergi, guys.
What are you gaping at? Shoot!
Wow, guys, kita lagi berenang, guys.
Stand there, you idiot! After them!
Kita sedang berenang, kita lihat tuh. Wes. Tapi mereka menggunakan panah nembak kita loh, guys.
You learn to swim.
Waduh. Jangan sampai kita kena, guys. Oh my god. Si Henry kena tembak, guys.
Fucking armor! Come on! We'll cut them up on the other side! Oh, his horse is quick!
Aduh. Sakit tuh, guys.
Mott.
Kuat banget si Henry, guys.
What the fuck was that, Henry? You rescuing a damsel in distress?
I'm done with running.
Oh, really? And what exactly do you call...
Yeesh.
Oh, shit. Oh, you've been hit.
What?
Oh, shit.
Well, we can't leave it like this.
No, wait!
Aduh.
Fuck!
Yeesh.
We've got to flee.
Untung tidak beracun ya.
Can you walk?
Yeah, no. I'll manage.
Aduh.
Lead the way.
Si Henry nih sok pahlawan nyelamatkan wanita. Ya, si banditnya masih di situ, guys.
You pull yourself together. We've got to vanish.
Ya, guys, kita harus pergi ya. Sekarang kita tidak punya apa-apa nih, selain celana aja, guys. Wih, seru. Ini kayak nonton film, guys, kita, guys. Anda adalah buronan. Ikon kelinci di bawah kompas menandakan apa yang sedang terjadi di sekitar Anda. Oke. Udah di kompas, guys. Ikon kelincinya. Masih mau pergi ke Trotsky? Kita yang udah nggak ada apa-apa, nggak ada kuda, nggak ada pakaian, nggak ada senjata. Oke, ada orang, guys. Kita jongkok ya. Oh, ramai mereka, guys. Markas mereka di sini kah?
Watch the middle of the gorge. And keep your eyes peeled, right?
Ya, kita harus dari sini, guys.
Get a move on.
Ya, kita ikutin belakang dia, guys.
And you, go to the pond. They didn't succeed in swimming to the other side of the pond. I want to know. Then come back and give me a full report. Footprints, foot trails, everything.
Kita harus menunggu.
Get to work.
Shut up, or the chief will hear you.
It's still easier here. And that skirmish on the other side.
Nothing in the back, pitch black. When all your talk does.
Ih, serem, guys. Jangan sampai kita ketahuan guys. Mampus kita. Ayo Han. Ayo Han, ayo Han. Itu cuma capai di situ guys. Oke. Ikutin belakang Hans guys.
I played dice against Lefty yesterday.
Shouldn't you be keeping watch instead?
You reckon we'll find them, do you? If they tried to swim across the pond, they'll be found half dead somewhere on the bank.
Jadi para bandit di sini juga ini ya, berpakaian set juga guys. Ayo kita pergi guys. Lari. Op 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 op.
No, fuck, they're in front of us.
Lari lari lari.
Into the rocks.
Lari guys, lari guys.
Hurry!
Lari guys, lari guys.
Run around! We'll catch them at the top!
Lari 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 lari. Kita ketahuan. Mana si Hendry guys? Bentar. Oh di sini. Ngapain kau Hen?
What now?
Tekan alternatif L. Oh guys. Oh lari guys. Tuh lambang kelincinya ya guys ya. Kalau ada muncul merah kita sudah ketahuan guys. Kalau putih masih aman. Lari. Oke, cutscene.
Damn it, they're everywhere.
What are we gonna do?
How should I know? We can't go climbing into the rocks at night when we can't see shit.
But they'll catch us.
Oh, you don't say, genius.
Calm down for fuck's sake.
Stop it. This isn't going to help us. You know what? Go and look into that gorge behind me and see if there's a way forward. Then come back to me. At least we'll know if it makes sense to go that way. If we can get out of the rocks. I'll stay here meanwhile and watch out for them.
Oke guys, kita harus hati-hati di sini. Periksa jalan ke belakangnya Hendry guys. Berarti di sini ya. Oh, balik. Buntu. Wow guys, kita ketahuan guys, kita ketahuan.
Where's Capon? He must have fled from them through the other gorge. We have to find him.
Mereka ada di mana-mana guys. Lo sini kah?
Hans, hey, Hans.
Oh di sini guys. Ya sampai ketahuan guys. Dari mana nih? Coba lo sini. Wow, ada orang guys. Coba lo sini.
Where is he?
Mana Hans guys? Lo sini kah? Kayaknya bener ya. Oh bukan guys. Lo sini. Oh lo sini guys. Akhirnya kita keluar juga guys.
God, we found each other. I didn't manage to warn you when those soldiers popped up.
Ya kita berhasil kabur dari sini guys. Let's go.
I only found my way out of those bloody rocks a while ago.
Wih, apa tuh? Wah, kita ketahuan guys. Ambil pedangnya. Kita akan bertarung. Oke.
Fuck you, Horson! No, you don't.
Menang kita guys. Tapi cutscene ya. Oh, muter guys. Yes. Ajar. Oh my god, kita jatuh dari jurang guys. Wah Apakah kita meningsoy? Gak mungkin.
You know the trouble with an adventurous life, son? It can end before it gets started. I might teach you how to handle a sword, and then someone will shoot you with a crossbow as soon as you set foot outside the house. If you want to convince someone that they're wrong, try using your mouth and not your fists. We did a fine job.
Kayaknya kita bermimpi, guys. Yeah.
Being a blacksmith might bring no glory.
Apakah itu adalah ayah kita?
Like keeping your head on your shoulders.
Iya guys, ayah kita guys.
Come now.
Ayah kita itu adalah tukang pandai besi ya guys ya. Tapi dia sudah meninggal kayaknya. Ini kita bertemu dengan dia lewat mimpi ya. Apakah dia sudah meninggal guys? Ketemu ayahnya di surga.
My dad.
Belum katanya.
I'm dead though.
Nah, dia yang baru mati ya. Ih, grafiknya keren banget. Pasti suka sih.
If I'm not, then how come
you chose a different path than I wanted for you? And maybe that's how it was meant to be. But once you've chosen the path of adventure, you have to fight. You have to fight till the bitter end, with all the strength you can muster. You still have a long way to go till your work is done, Henry. So pull yourself together and wake up. It's not over yet.
Nah,
Love of God, wake up. Pull yourself together, Henry.
ya kan, kita itu mimpi guys.
Christ.
Oh, si Hans.
Where am I? Well, you dropped out of the sky like a shot down hawk.
Oh, tinggi sekali guys. Untung kita nggak apa-apa ya.
You broke your fall nicely, otherwise you'd have ended up
Karena
same as
kita
him.
terjatuh menimpa dia, jadi kita agak aman guys.
What are you wearing? Well, you won't be needing it. We can't be running naked through the
Pakaian
woods.
dari bandit diambilnya guys.
If you're capable
Wes,
of
di game
running
ini
at
kita
all.
bisa mengelut ya.
Now, where's Mutt?
Omotnya di mana?
I've no idea. Just don't worry about your dog. He can look after himself. Right, we've got to disappear. Right, come on, I'll help you up.
Wih, seru. Misi utama dimulai. Fortuna. Wah, kayaknya kita sudah terluka parah, guys.
How are you holding up?
Keadaan kita buruk banget.
not good. I feel like it's all up for me.
Just hang in there, damn it.
Ya guys, kayaknya kita sudah mulai berhalusinasi guys. Kita lihat pasukan kudanya guys, ramai banget.
Henry, what are you staring at?
Horseman. Faster.
Doing what I can, pal.
Oh my god, dia berhalusinasi guys.
Don't do this to me. Pull yourself together and let's go. We have to go.
But the gate is closed.
Don't worry, my name will open any gate.
Fuck.
Kayaknya ada terjadi penyerangan di Scarlet guys.
Scallis is in flames. We're gonna die here.
You'll survive this. Come on.
Bianca.
Bianca, siapa tuh? Oke guys, kita masih berhalusinasi guys. Jadi desa Skalitz itu diserang ya sama pasukan berkuda. Itu kayaknya tempatnya si Henry guys.
Listen to me, Al. Listen carefully. Take the sword, go into the house, and grab anything else
itu
in
guys.
the trunk. Go to the castle. Hurry. What about you? My mother is in the village. I'll fetch her and we'll
Dia
follow
berhalusinasi guys. Kita lihat guys.
No, you do what I say right now. Give the sword to Sir
Christ's sake.
Anything happens, you'll take
Come
care of you.
on! Oh, you can hardly stand, damn it. But we'll make it together. You'll see.
Masih berhalusinasi guys. Oh my god.
Focus.
Oh itu ayah kita guys. Nah ya.
Pull yourself together.
Oh my god.
Please.
Dia berhalusinasi, halusinasi. Ayahnya dibunuh dan ibunya juga. Oh my god.
Hang in there.
Mati guys. Nah ini penjahatnya guys. Kepala botak, berkumis.
You're a warrior. You can do this.
Wow.
It's all right, Henry. I've got you.
Kita sekarat, kita berhalusinasi, halusinasi. Aduh.
Henry.
Bangun Henry.
Wake up.
Masih belum sampai Henry.
The linden tree.
Pohon linden.
Just like father always wanted.
Oke. Ayahnya meninggal di pohon
we
linden
can't
guys.
Stop.
And Pa. Dead. They're all dead.
But we aren't yet.
Mati guys.
Henry. A light.
Oke, ada cahaya di situ guys.
Look.
I see it.
We've got to go.
Ih, berdarah-darah.
I see the light.
Mengerikan ya.
Hold on. Hold on. We.
Pavlena, is it you?
Greetings, good wife. Fear not. We mean you no harm. My friend needs help. Please.
Right. I'll see what I can do for him. Let's have a look at you. It's all right.
My parents. That was just a dream, Henry. We're in the woods. We were ambushed. But don't worry. We'll get you fixed up right as rain.
Oh guys, kita ketahuan lagi guys. Oke. Ayo Henry, lawan deh Henry. Si Henry. Sihan. Henry mau ngambil pisaunya guys.
Hey, lad. Are you alive, lad?
Kita pingsan guys. Oke, ini ayah dan ibu kita ya guys ya. Di darahnya guys. Oke. Nah ini guys, desa Skalitznya tiba-tiba diserbu sama pasukan berkuda. Termasuk ayahnya guys, mati guys. Ibunya juga mati. Ini penjahatnya guys. Kita melarikan diri naik kuda. Kita sampai di suatu lokasi. Pingsan.
They burned it to the ground. Slaughtered everyone. Who? Who burned it to the ground? A huge army. They attacked without warning.
Get all the people inside the gates. We have to prepare for the worst. Make all the necessary arrangements.
I am Sir Marquardt von Aulitz. I come in the name of Sigismund of Luxembourg, King of Hungary and Croatia.
Ya guys, berasal dari kerajaan Sigismund ya.
Get up now.
Oh, ibu kita
There's
guys nih
work
guys.
to be done.
Mother?
Bukan.
I ain't your ma, laddie. Oh, may all the saints be praised. I was afraid you'd never wake up again.
What? Where am I?
Where would you be? Here in my cabin, where you and that pal of yours burst in last night. Slowly, lad. Slowly.
Sakitan kita guys badannya. Si Hans kenapa? Terkapar juga dia guys. Ya, semalam dia melawan bandit guys. Sekarang dia sekarat.
What happened? What about Hans?
He's taken care of for now, but he was on the edge there for a bit. And so were you, lad, so calm yourself. Last night you were 1 foot in the grave already. You were lucky you happened to turn up here.
I have to talk to Hans.
You won't get much out of him now. He's lost a lot of blood and he has a fever.
Oke, kita akan bilang apa kamu akan membantunya?
But you'll help him, won't you?
God willing. Well, I managed to pull you out of death's grip, so maybe I'll be blessed again. I'll go check on him as soon as I'm done with you. How are you feeling?
Aku pernah mengalami hal seburuk ini.
I've had worse. My shoulder stings a bit, but I'm alright otherwise.
You're brave. If you weren't, we wouldn't be speaking now. Ah, your shoulder is looking a lot better. I did my best, but I don't see good no more, especially at night. So I didn't do the best job. It just wouldn't stop bleeding. And now you've moved about, it started up again. Take this and bandage it up. Not much else we can do with it now.
Thanks. I reckon I can manage that. But I need to get a breath of fresh air to clear my head.
You slept through half of God's bright day, lad. So, if you feel up to it, go ahead. At least we'll see how steady you are on your feet. While you're at it, you can stop by the trough and wash all that nasty grime off of yourself. I found an old tunic. Put it on so you don't catch a chill. It gets cold here by the water. No doubt you'll be famished and need a bite to eat.
Oke, kita sudah mendapatkan pakaian tuning pendek guys ya.
If that ain't enough,
Kita
I
dulu
put some bread
disiapkan
and cheese on the
masakan guys.
table outside for you. And you'll find some of our home-brewed liquor there too, in case you need bucking up. Don't overdo it though.
I won't.
Terima kasih banyak, Nenek.
God reward you 1,000-fold. What's your name, by the way?
Bushena's my name.
Bosena.
And I'm Henry.
I know. Hans told me. I'll go and check on him. When you're done with everything, come and see me and we'll figure out what to do next.
Jatuh yang mengerikan. Keajaiban, Anda selamat dari jatuh yang mengerikan, tapi Anda kehilangan beberapa level utama, keterampilan dan juga perpoin akibat luka-luka parah Anda. Anda tidak punya pilihan selain pulih dan mengembalikan poin-poin tersebut secara bertahap dan di kemudian hari dalam permainan. Wow, game ini terlalu real juga ya guys ya. Anda sedang berdarah. Kita harus menghilangkan pendarahan dengan menggunakan bandage. Perban ya guys ya. Ya, kita akan gunakan. Oke. Apakah sudah selesai? Iya. Anda lapar, berarti kita harus makan ya. Kita tadi dikasih pakaian sama si nenek guys. Ini guys, turning pendek. Lumayan lah. Setidaknya kita menghangatkan badan kita ya guys ya. Oke. Kita akan bergerak. Nah, sekarang kita akan makan dulu guys ini supnya. Ih. Lumayan lah ya. Itu benar-benar.
So good I wouldn't say no to some more.
Oke, kita makan lagi guys.
Aye. True bliss is a full belly.
Oke. Sudah ya. Dia juga ada menyiapkan keju dan roti di sini, guys. Kita ambil aja ya. Oh, ada apel juga. Ini kejunya. Ramuan penyelamat lemah. Kita ambil aja, guys. Oke. Terus untuk ramuan penyelamat lemah. Oh ya, kita diminta untuk menyimpan permainan ya. Permainan akan disimpan secara otomatis. Jadi kita nggak perlu khawatir guys ya. Paling kita akan membersihkan diri kita di sini guys. Wih. Oke. Tunjukkan dirimu pada Bozena. Tunjukkan dirimu. Ya. Kita sudah bersih. Nice.
Did what you asked.
And you didn't faint while doing it. I'm pleased, Henry. I had to pour a whole Lethean potion into you last night. That's what I call medicine. It can either put a dead man back on his feet or make sure he never gets up again. So consider yourself lucky.
I will. But what about Capon?
Well, he's less lucky. That brute really knocked him about before Hans beat the life out of him.
Bisakah kamu membantu?
Is there any way I can help? I owe it to Capon, and I want to do whatever I can.
You owe him all right. I've got a bit of that Lethean potion left. It ought to work wonders on him, same as on you. But I can't just give it to him now. First, we have to deal with that fever. The best and fastest remedy for that is chamomile decoction. Luckily, it ain't too hard to brew, but we'll need some fresh sage for it. And, of course, chamomile. You ought to be able to manage that. You've got young legs and eyes, and I reckon a bit of a stroll would do you good.
Oke. Aku tahu tentang herbal, bagaimana cara mengenali herbal, ramuan Lethean berbahaya bukan?
Alright. Tell me, what do the herbs look like?
Sage has a purple blossom and chamomile has white petals with a yellow center. At the back of the hut, there's a footpath leading up to the rocks. You go along there till you reach a sort of small meadow. You ought to find both of them there.
Great. I'll be back in a jiffy with a couple of handfuls.
All right. I'll be glad if you get back here soon. I don't feel right being here with that corpse in my yard. Seeing him lying there gives me chills. I can't think straight.
I understand. It makes me anxious too. Maybe I could manage to bury him somewhere. Or at least hide him somewhere further off in the woods.
The Lord be praised. I'd be truly glad of that. Do you feel up to it, laddie? You ain't in the best of shape, and digging a grave's a tough job, even for a healthy fella.
Aku pikir saya bisa mengatasinya.
Not to worry. I'll see what I can manage. It's on account of us that he's here anyway. I wouldn't want you to have any more trouble. And a bit of effort, even if it's a dirty job, is the least I owe you.
Well, if you think you can manage it, good, but don't overstrain yourself. And thanks.
Where should I put him?
Grab the spade by the dung pile and bury him by the creek. The soil will be softer there, so it should be easier. When you head out the gate, follow your nose. Find a good spot somewhere in the reeds and nettles. And when you're done with that, better have a wash, so's you don't have the stench of death on you.
True. I'll bear that in mind.
I'll sort out the rest with Ignatius, the gravedigger, when he comes by again, so's I don't have that wretch lying here till Judgment Day.
All right. I'll get to it.
Ambil skopnya. Oke. Kita akan mengubur mayat bandit ya guys ya. Punya misi itu. Ayolah. Di sini guys, mayatnya. Kita akan ambil skopnya di sini. Oke, angkat mayatnya. Oh ya guys, di game ini kita bisa mengambil jarahan tubuh si bandit ya. Genggam tubuh, ambil barang. Kita ambil barang guys. Nah, ini barang-barangnya ya. Ada obor, ada pakaian-pakaian. Lumayan sih ini. Durability-nya masih bagus ini guys. Ada perban juga. Udah kita ambil semua aja guys. Wis. Ini juga ada pedang, kita ambil.
This will be the weapon used by the bastard who cut up Sir Hans.
Oke. Coba kita gunakan dulu guys pedangnya. Nah, taruh di sini nomor 1. Kita bisa gunakan ya, biar ada penambah defense juga lah ya. Ini kita sudah gunakan kan? Oh, yang mana lebih bagus guys? Kalau kita lihat strongnya jauh lebih bagus ini ya. Cuman agak kotor aja guys. Sabuk. Oke, sabuk kita bisa pakai juga di sini guys. Taruhnya di sini ya. Slot terbuka untuk makanan dan minuman. Oke. Sepatu. Pakai aja guys, satu set guys, lumayan. Ini untuk minum dan makanan di sini guys. Cangkul ada di sini, perban ada juga. Oke. Obor kita nggak usah, kalau kecuali malam hari lah ya. Kita bisa menggunakan obor guys. Wih, keren. Kita bersihkan diri dulu. Karena bajunya kotor guys. Oke, bajunya juga langsung bersih ya. Wih, keren. Nah, sekarang kita akan coba angkat si mayatnya. Bawa mayat itu ke sungai guys. Katanya di dekat sungai tanahnya jauh lebih lembek, jadi mudah digali. Ikutin kompas yang terletak di bagian atas layar akan membantu Anda menavigasi dunia. Oke. Kita akan angkat mayatnya ke arah sini berarti guys ya. Nah, sini guys.
Ah, shit. My shoulder.
Oke.
This bastard's hard work.
Berat katanya guys. Kita kan lagi terluka guys, jadi wajar lah ya. Langsung kita gali. Bawa mayat ke kuburan dan kuburkan katanya guys. Oke, kita akan angkut lagi. Pas masuk guys. Kuburkan. Nah, selesai juga guys.
Rest lightly on you, you bastard. I hope you find peace and don't come out to haunt anyone.
Dah kita lakukan. Saatnya kita akan sekaligus mengambil. Iya, ada babi guys. Babi hutan. Jangan kamu serang Bang Surya. Oh, keren banget gamenya. Kita akan mencari tanaman guys ya. Tanaman obat-obatan. Tapi kita harus bersihkan lagi setelah bau kita ngangkut mayatnya ya.
I need something to eat.
Oke. Lewat sini kayaknya. Kita akan petik chamomile dan juga daun sage guys.
Damn, my shoulder still hurts like hell.
Bahunya masih sakit guys ya.
Tell me when it's gonna rain.
Kita segera obatin demamnya si Hans guys. Kalau nggak dia nggak bisa disembuhin nih. Ini guys. Oke. Ini daun sage. Iya betul guys.
Sage. There we go.
Kemudian ini guys ya. Nah ini. Chamomile.
That's it. Chamomile. Right. I've got all the herbs I need.
Okay.
So back to Bozena on the double. The sooner Hans gets that remedy, the better.
Semakin cepat kita siapkan obatnya buat si Hans, semakin bagus.
What's that dog making such a fuss about?
Oke.
Could something have happened at Bozena's?
Anjing itu ribut-ribut guys. Ada sesuatu yang terjadi. Kita harus segera ke sini guys. Oh, ada orang guys.
From Lord von Berghoff. Hey, you! What do you want? Come here and tell me who you are, or I'll drum it out of you.
Tekan Q untuk membalas nomor 1 ya. Mari kita bicara dengan damai.
Lord von Berghoff sent us to find the renegades who ambushed some knights company down by the pond yesterday. A couple of them fled and are hiding out here in the rocks. So tell me who you are and what you know about it.
Guys, dia bilang dia adalah utusan dari Otto van Bergou. Kayaknya bukan deh guys. Dari pakaiannya itu dia adalah bandit ya. Kamu tidak terlihat seperti orang-orang von Bergou.
You're from Lord von Berghoff. You don't look like it.
Kulva! Watch your tongue with me, boy. When I say we're from von Berghoff, then we're from fucking von Berghoff. Who else would we be from anyway? You can talk to me or talk to Cold Steel. Who the hell are you? And what are you doing here?
Kita akan bohongi dia. Kamu mencari tempat yang salah. Pergi. Kita mengusir mereka. Jangan guys. Kita bilang jangan kita adalah utusan. Ini kita harus berbohong kayaknya nih. Kamu mencari di tempat yang salah.
I'm Pavel. And I'm here to help Bozena. That ambush happened on the other side of the pond. So that's where you should be looking. Not here. There's no one like that here.
Is that so? Seems like you know a lot about that ambush, but you don't have to concern yourself with that. You won't be breathing a word to anyone about that business yesterday.
Reputasi kita turun ya karena kita berbohong guys.
Get ready to face your maker.
Astaga. Sabar. Nggak lo palau.
No, I'm done with this.
Pergi kau. Mati satu orang guys.
That's all. Getting mixed up in all sorts of nonsense at my age.
Ada mayatnya di sini guys. Meninggal juga dia. Oke, kita coba ambil barangnya. Wow, masih bagus-bagus guys. Ambil semuanya ya. Oke. Kita bersihkan diri dulu. Oke, sekarang kita akan berbicara sama si Bozena guys. Bozena. Sini ya.
Did they hurt you?
No, but I think they would have if you hadn't come along.
Sorry. I reckon it was one of those who followed us yesterday.
Look here. I almost got slaughtered twice in one day on account of you two. God be praised that my Pavlena wasn't here. Heaven knows what they'd have done to her. So, I'd like to know why all this is happening. Your friend was talking in a delirium in the night, saying you was knights. But if you two are knights, then I'm the Queen of Sheba.
Kita harus ceritakan kepada Bozena yang sebenarnya ya guys ya. Kita harus kasih tahu dia, kamu berhak tahu kebenarannya.
Well, I must bow to your ladyship. Sir Hans is the young lord of Leiper and Perkstein. I'm Henry of Skalitz, son of Sir Radzig Cobbler, and I'm his bodyguard. We were heading to Trotsky to deliver a message from Sir Hanush of Leiper and Margrave Jobst to Lord von Berghoff. But we were ambushed by bandits yesterday down by the pond, and you already know the rest. And as God is my witness, we're no bandits. I swear to you, I'm thankful to you for saving us. And I'm sorry it caused you trouble.
Well, you sound sincere, so I'll take your word for it. I hope I won't live to regret it.
You won't. I promise you.
Promises are made to be broken, but thank you for dealing with them. Except I have another corpse in my yard.
Don't worry. I reckon I've still got a bit of strength left. I ought to be able to manage it before evening.
I'd be eternally grateful to you. But be careful while you're at it. You don't want to open that wound or strain yourself.
What about Sir Hans? How's he doing?
He's holding up, I'd say. I treated his wounds and I'll change his bandages shortly. But what he needs most now is that remedy. Have you got everything for it?
Here. Chamomile and sage, like you said.
Excellent. Now to brew the potion from them. I gave you two the last of my supply during the night. But fresh is best anyways. It's a shame my daughter Pavlena ain't back yet. She'd get it done in a jiffy, but we'll just have to manage without her. But you can do it too. It ain't nothing hard. My eyes are so bad, it'd take me all day. But at least I can tell you how to go about it.
Oke, aku akan meracik ramuan itu.
Alright, I'll try.
Tapi aku tidak tahu caranya.
But I'm not sure how to do it.
I told you, I'll explain everything. I have a book here with the recipe, but it'll be better if I tell you. I know it by heart.
I can read as well as any man, if that's what you mean.
My word. Maybe you really are a noble son.
I'll take the book just in case, but if you give me some advice, I'd be grateful.
Of course. Everything we need is in the hut. Let's get to it.
Kita akan membuat ramuan di gubuk, guys. Ramuan penyembuh ya untuk si Hans. Tunggu ya Hans, kamu tunggu ya. Semoga cepat sembuh. Ayo. Ini guys gubuknya. Oke, kita akan mulai alkimia. Kita buka bukunya dulu.
First, go to the recipe book.
Kita akan menuju ke buku dulu.
Find the recipe for chamomile decoction and remember what you have to do. Then get back to the bench and we'll start.
Oke guys, di sini kita akan membuat ramuan penyembuh ya guys ya. Kita akan masukkan 2 genggam chamomile dan 1 genggam daun sage. Kita akan tambahkan chamomile dan rebus dulu selama 1 putaran. Haluskan sage, terus masukkan lagi ya. Tinggal kita tuangkan. Cukup mudah. Oke. Terus.
Alright. First, you have to pour the right base into the cauldron. Choose the right pitcher from the shelf on the left. According to the recipe.
Sekarang kita akan mana dulu guys? Anggur. Anggur kah? Tuangkan anggur dulu. Ya.
So, what did you pour in there?
Wine, of course. Like it says in the book.
Glad to hear it. Now try moving the cauldron over the flame.
Yeah.
So you know how it looks when it starts boiling a bit.
Kita akan geser ke bawah biar bisa kena api.
Hear that bubbling? It's boiling. Remember that well. For most potions, you just have to
sudah mulai mendidih guys.
But sometimes you need to get it good and hot. So you have to get the fire blazing under the cauldron using the bellows. Try fanning it with the bellows.
Oke, kita akan pompa udara biar makin kencang guys.
It's boiling. To keep it
Keren.
going, you mustn't stop with the bellows. If you want to cool it down quick, take it off the flames.
Pindahkan
Try it.
kualinya,
Move the
guys.
cauldron up.
Wih, keren.
Good. Now we'll start with the brewing. Get all the herbs that you need ready. The ones you picked.
Oke, kita akan buka persediaan, tekan I.
Put them there on the shelf.
Ya,
So you've got them at hand.
kita akan pilih dua bahan yang kita temukan ya, chamomile dan juga sage. Tekan X konfirmasi.
All right. Let's get to it. First, throw 2 handfuls of chamomile into the cauldron.
Ya, kita akan masukkan chamomile lah, guys ya. Chamomile ini, guys. Ambil. Masukkan 2 genggam ya, berarti ya. 1, 2. Masukin lagi. Iya, keren.
Before you put it on the flame, turn the sand glass so you know how long you're brewing it.
Oke, kita akan mendidihkannya, guys. Tapi kita harus
Every grain of sand
menggunakan waktu pasir ya, guys ya. Ini, guys, jam pasir. Nah,
See? When the sand has
satu
flowed
putaran
out,
ya, ingat.
that's 1 turn. That's how long you have to boil the chamomile.
Oke.
Move the cauldron to the fire and wait until it starts bubbling.
Mantap.
Then turn the sand glass. As soon as the sand runs out, take the cauldron off the fire again.
Oke.
Ain't that enough? Take the cauldron off the flames.
Pindahkan kualinya lagi.
All right. Now take 1 handful of sage, grind it with a mortar and pestle,
Oke.
and drop it in the cauldron.
Kita akan letakkan ke mangkok ini, guys. Terus kita akan tumbuk. Wih, keren ya.
Have you ground it?
Ya, kita sudah
Good.
menggilingnya.
Now drop it in the cauldron.
Masukkan.
You don't have to boil it anymore. All you have to do now is decant it. Get a phial and pour it in.
Ya, kita tidak perlu merebusnya lagi, tinggal tuangkan aja ya. Kita akan ambil ini botol. Terus kita akan tuangkan.
Done.
Done.
Now let's see what
Selesai.
you brewed.
Ya. Cukup mudah untuk membuat ramuan. Ramuan chamomile. Oke, kita mendapatkan 2 pictures, lumayan. Oke, kita akan keluar.
Here it is.
Misinya selesai.
Oh, by the smell of it, it's a chamomile decoction the way it should be.
Happy to help.
This should help Hans get better. I'll take care of
Oke,
it
dia
now.
akan mengurus Hans,
All
guys.
right. Is there anything else I can do to help?
Well, if you feel up to it, I'd be right grateful to you if you was to rid me of that damn corpse what's lying there the whole time.
Sure. I'll do the best I can.
When you're done with that, go get some sleep. You won't miss anything, and you need the rest after everything that happened.
Oke guys, kita punya misi untuk menguburkan si mayatnya bandit lagi guys ya. Setelah itu kita akan pergi tidur. Let's go lah. Kita kuburkan, terus kita mandi, bersihkan badan, kita tidur ya. Wow, keren banget. Kita akan menuju ke sini. Juga ada babinya lagi guys, main lumpur dia guys. Nah, kayaknya kuburnya di sini lagi nih. Iya bener guys. Oke, gali kuburnya, letakkan dulu. Oke guys, kita cari tulisan galinya. Matinya kayak gini dia guys. Gali. Oke, udah.
Fuck.
Sambil mayatnya.
Damn shoulder.
Kita letakkan. Kita kuburkan.
A cutthroat like him is no great loss. Even so, rest in peace. And may God give you your just reward.
Sudah ada 2 mayat kita. Kubur guys. Oke. Sebenarnya kita bertanggung jawab lah ya sama nenek Bozena. Ada ayamnya guys. Ayam bertelur nih. Kita cuci lagi biar bersih. Oke. Beres. Nah, sihannya masih diobatin ya. Oke guys. Nah, sebelum tidur Bang Surya sepertinya akan mengakhiri untuk episode kali ini. Sudah sangat panjang. Gimana guys untuk serial ini? Kayaknya mantap ya. Jalan ceritanya juga mudah dipahami karena sudah bahasa Indonesia. Kita bakal lanjutin lagi keseruan di next episode. Bakal banyak misi-misi baru. Ditunggu saja. Semoga terhibur. Jangan lupa di like dan di subscribe. Kita berjumpa lagi di episode berikutnya. Sampai jumpa. Dadah.